Welcome to another section of this pattern drafting video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to draft a pattern for a senator short sleeve. If you're new to this channel, you are welcome. My name is Shubi. For my returning subscribers, thank you guys for all your support. Thanks for always coming back to watch my videos. So the length of this sleeve is going to be 10.5 inches. So I'm going to mark, then I'll connect my points with a straight ruler. So I'm going to give 3 inches for the folding because I want the folding to be very bold. Then I'm going to connect my points with a straight ruler. So the bicep is 15.5. I'm going to divide that by 2. So what I have is 7 3/4. So I'm going to go on to mark my points on my pattern paper. So I'm going to give 2 inches seam allowance. From that 2 inches, I'm going to give an extra 3 inches. In a bit, I will be explaining to you guys why I am giving extra allowance for this sleeve. So the total measurements that I have is 12 inches. I'm going to take this up. So I'm going to take it to this part and I'll draw a straight line to connect my points. So I'm going to come down by 4.5 inches. So if you're making an adult senator sleeve, you can come down by 4 inches or 4.5. All right, so from this point, this is the actual sleeve round divided by 2. Then this is the 2 inches I gave for the seam allowance. I'm going to connect from this point to this point where I came down by 4.5. Okay, this is the actual sleeve round. Then this is the seam allowance. So this extra you are seeing here is just basically to help the sleeve balance well. All right, if I start curving from this point to this seam allowance that I have here, the sleeve is not going to fix in well. But with this extra that I gave here, it is going to help the sleeve fixing well. And at the end of the day, if I have an excess, I can cut off the excess. So this 3 inches extra that I added is to be sure that I don't have any form of shortage. It is better for you to have an excess fabric than for you to have a shortage when fixing. So I'm going to curve from this point all the way to this point. I'm just going to be doing a freehand sketch. So for the allowance for the folding, I'm going to slant it a little bit because this line right here is not straight. So let's measure to see what we have. So what we have here is 13 inches. I'm going to measure my pattern to see what we have here. So what we have here is 12. So when I join this, like this is going to match up, all right? Even if I have a little excess, I can just cut it off. But it is better to have an excess than to have a shortage. So I'll go on to cut out my sleeve pattern. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. The next one is going to be on how to sew the sleeve and the senator top. Let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section below. If you find it helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. It will help this video to grow well on this platform. And feel free to share this video with your family and friends. Subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed already. And don't forget to turn on notifications so that you'll be the first to know once I upload a new video. Until next time, my name is still Ruby. Keep loving and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.